Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be doing a half skull Halloween look. Here, I will be outlining the sockets of my eyes with white paint. And I bought these paints from the Halloween store and they're not the best quality, I realized as I was painting my face. Just smooth everything out. And then you're gonna make 2 points at the ridge of your nose. Once you have that, you're gonna take the black paint and outline the shape of your nose and color that in black. Now, using the black paint, you're gonna make a thin line outlining the sockets of the eye. And I went ahead and outlined the whole top part. Now we're gonna paint the inside of our lips and draw a line out to the mid part of your cheek or your face, and that's where the teeth will go. And now outlining the cheekbone of your face, make a thin line, same with the jawline, and we're gonna shade that in and color it in black to give it that skull look. Here you're gonna start by coloring in black and fade it out as you go towards the teeth line to give it more of a realistic look. Now moving on to the teeth, I drew a line in the center of my lip and just continued making lines, spacing it out evenly. And I'm using a small thin brush for the lines. I'm just going back to the lines that I made for the teeth and adding curved lines. They turned out to look like Ys, but it's for to shade it in to give it a curved look to the teeth. Once you're done, you're gonna go back and shade in the lines where it opens up. And then with a thin brush, you're gonna make the lines a little darker just so they pop out. And I recommend starting small and adding the black because I did too much and I had to go back with white paint and fix those parts. Now I'm going to the chin part and outlining the bottom of my chin. I tried to outline the top part of the chin, but it looked a little messy, which you will see it's fixed towards the end of the video, but I don't have a clip of me fixing it. And I didn't like how the nose looked, so I went back to make it a little wider, which turned out to look a lot better. And going back to the line of the teeth, just shading it in black, giving it more of like that 3D look and adding more imperfections to the teeth. And again, the paint is not really the best paint, so it wasn't turning out as crisp as I would like it to look, but I had to work with what I had. Here I'm just adding more shading to the top part of the cheekbone and the bottom part of where the jawline is. And same with under the eyes. I start with the black line and kind of shade that out. Over here I'm just adding more details to the skull, making little cracks and shading it in. At this point, I had already added the contact lenses that I'm using, which I will list in my description. Once I added the contact lenses, I realized that I just want to smoke out the bottom of my eyes and the top part of the socket line with some black eyeshadow. So here's the final look. I hope you guys like this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.